Hi, how are you, Veerpal?
Yeah, I am fine. What about you?
Even I'm good, thank you. So you're working today?
No, no. I am at office.
Hmm.
After completed our conversation, I will go at room.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
No, no. I am not on duty. I am off duty.
Oh, okay. That's great.
Yeah.
So what would you like to do today? Should we talk on the session's topic or should we talk on random things?
Yeah, we can talk in topic. We have, I think, about goals.
Yeah,
Topic at goals.
yes. So would you like to talk on that?
Yeah. Before move to the topic, I want to know about you, about yourself.
Okay,
Would you like to
okay,
introduce yourself?
okay. Just give me a minute. I'm so sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
So hi, Veerpal. I'm Apurva. I have done my engineering from Electronics and Telecommunication branch in
Okay.
2020. And yeah, I'm from Pune, Maharashtra. That's all. What about you?
Yeah. And my name is Birpal, and I'm from Uttar Pradesh.
Hmm.
And I'm a student. I am pursuing. This is my second year. I am pursuing BA. Okay,
Okay,
and
that's
I
great.
am I am. But currently I live in Silvassa, and I am working in private company. So I am employee also. I am
That
employee.
that's great. That's really nice. Okay, so have you been to Daman?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, Daman is
Near
nearby
to,
Silvassa, not
yeah, I've
far.
heard them. Yes, absolutely. Even I'm planning to visit
Daman.
Silvassa in the next week or maybe after that. Yeah.
Okay,
So I've done a
it was
good
good.
look.
You have visited Daman and Diu?
No, I haven't. But I've heard that Daman is really like a happening place and it's near to Silvassa. So yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No,
Mm.
Daman is 25 far from here. Not not long. 25
Okay.
kilometer far from here.
Yeah, that is quite far. So have you visited Daman?
Yeah, yeah. I have visited so many times. Actually, before 2 years ago, I was working in Daman.
Mm. So you've traveled a lot, it seems. Mm.
Actually, my company has so many branches in India. Actually, now I think 57th in charge in India. You heard about the Akshay Patra Foundation?
No.
It's an NGO
Okay.
organization. Yeah. So my company have 57th in charge. It
Wow.
is centralized kitchen. We we provide foods for education, like for children who is studying 1 to 8 standard. We are provide food.
That is so cool. That is a very noble cause. That's really
Yeah,
nice.
all government school. Like in Silvassa, there are 380 school in Silvassa and Daman.
Hmm.
So we are provide uh, foods for all children who
Okay.
is studying in 1 to 8 standard.
Wow. That's really noble. Okay. You
Yeah,
won't say
midday meal.
provide, you'll say
Midday meals.
providing. Yeah.
Sorry.
You won't say provide, you'll say providing because it's a continuous process. You're providing it, right? Is it okay
Yeah,
if
yeah, yeah.
I correct you? Like,
I We are providing. You can say.
yeah, yes, absolutely. Yeah, that's really amazing, actually, and you must be really proud to work in such a company, in such an organization. Actually, that's great.
Yeah, I
So,
am also proud. Feel proud about our myself. I am working for someone.
yeah, and how does it work? Like, you provide it every month, or how it works? Explain a little bit more.
No, we are provide every day.
Okay,
We have
that's
to prepare foods in
hmm.
night, and we we did departed our all vehicles in the morning from 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Okay,
Mm.
my all company's vehicles will go to the college every day. Vehicles going to start from 6 o'clock in the morning, and according to school's time.
Mm.
Okay, my company has 46 vehicles for distribution horse. Okay,
Wow.
they are distribute all schools, and after distributing, they are waiting helpers and driver, and after that they will return, and they will collect all vessels,
Mm.
and they return in company in afternoon.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's actually amazing. Wow. It is a lot of work. So, how are you contributing to this organization?
There are lots of pupils available in my
Mm.
company. uh, yeah, like we have 25 persons of team, and we are working together, and 25 peoples are working like an official work,
Mm.
like uh, I have one manager. He's working on operation manager, like as a operation manager and assistant manager, senior executive like officer, supervisor, like.
Mm.
Yeah, so we are working together.
That's amazing. It's really
Yeah,
cool. Wow. Okay. So, Veerpal, would you like to talk on the session's topic now?
yeah, sure, not an
Yeah.
issue.
Okay. So, tell me, do you think having goals are important in our life?
Yeah, actually, according to me, money is not everything. If you have money, then you can do each and everything. Uh, I have no any doubt. If you have money, then you can do. But even one thing, if you don't have money, what can I do? It is the point, I think.
Okay, explain this point. I didn't get it.
Okay, if we have money,
Hmm.
okay, then we can do each and everything
Yes.
according to us. If we don't have money,
Hmm.
then how can we achieve? That is the point. Okay, if we have
Yeah.
money, then we can do. We
Yes.
don't have money, and we
Hmm.
shouldn't we shouldn't find one way how
Hmm.
to achieve our goals. Money is
Yes.
not important according to me. Happiness is the most important thing in our life. If we are survive with happily,
Hmm.
and our family, or mm, actually I have 6 members in my family. They are certified with me, and they are living with me very happily. Then it is enough for me. Okay, money is not important, but there are lots of people available. They have lots of money, but they are not, live with happily. We shouldn't go behind money. Actually,
Okay.
according to me,
Yeah,
we have
absolutely.
to, yeah, we have to go. Uh, yeah, we should earn money. It is most important thing to earning, and for expensive and for doing anything. It is good
Yeah.
if you earn, but if you are earning money and you forget your family, and you forget each and everything behind
Hmm.
money, it is not important thing. We
Yeah,
should take
I
care of
agree.
family and earning money also, I think.
I agree to your point.
I I
Absolutely.
have I have also lots of dream. I want to do so many things, and I have also lots of goal. Okay,
Hmm.
but we should try and we should do our best on that goals for
Hmm.
achieving goals, I think.
But not at the expense of our family. Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, absolutely. I agree to your point. That's really nice. Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me, what goals do you have?
I have lots of goals actually. My short-term goal is that I want to become a good English, like English speaker, and I want to become a good English knowledgeable person. Then I can handle each and everything. If
Mm.
someone talking to me in English, then I will be able to that type person. I can manage that thing, and I will talk with that person. I want to
Yeah.
become like this person. This is my short-term goal. Okay.
Okay.
After that, I will be able to speak. Then after that, I have lots of dreams. I will do so many things, but I will do different work. I don't want to share with someone. That's why.
Okay. Okay. No, no issues. Yeah. It's okay.
Uh,
We can
I
talk
want to.
about
I want to. I want to hide.
you
That's
want to
why.
you want to hide
I want.
yourself or your dreams.
Yeah. Sorry for that.
Yeah.
I can't say with you.
Okay. I didn't understand. Like you want to hide. What do you want to hide?
I want to hide, which is my goal,
Okay. Okay.
biggest goal. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I agree. Okay. No. No worries. We'll talk about something else then. So, have you seen
Okay.
anyone in your real life who has achieved their goals or who motivate you?
I think I motivate myself.
That's great.
Yeah. Actually, I judge so many people who is good in this line. Like lots of businessmen, they are good businessmen and they are good uh, earner who is
Mm.
earning lots of money.
Yeah.
And I judge that person. I try to become like that. This type of person. I motivate myself. I don't have any guru and I don't have any uh, we can say guiders
Hmm.
who can guide me. And I don't have any person.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. You won't say judge, you'll say observe them because judge can
Observe.
be in a negative way. Like I judge them means it adds a negative tone towards it. So you observe them would be
Okay.
appropriate. Yeah,
Okay.
that's
Okay.
great.
Okay. Then
So yeah,
we can say observe.
yeah,
I observe this thing.
yeah. I observe the businessmen, or yeah, or you can say analyze them is also fine.
Okay. Okay.
You try to analyze them. Judge would be a little negative. Yeah.
Okay. I got it.
Uh, Veerpal, is it okay if we come to the feedback part? And if we have time, we'll continue talking.
Sure. Sure.
Yeah. So it was
Yeah.
a very nice conversation. I love the fact that you were telling all the details, which were very, very intimate. And I know you're like skeptical about sharing those, but still you tried to. So thank you for that. And yeah, you have a good voice. Try to make it more professional. The way you were explaining was very nice, beautiful. The explanation part was really amazing. The pace at which you were talking was also very good, not too fast, not too slow. There were times when you
Okay.
were emphasizing on the right words. You were doing this voice modulation, which was good. So I would suggest you to listen to speakers and people who
Okay.
talk. So it will be easier for you to command that and make that impact. So the conversational skills were amazing. I love the fact that you were interested in knowing the other person also, what is their point of view. So that was great. Okay, coming to the English part, your grammar is kind of all right for now, but you
Okay.
need to go through the plural forms once again. So there are times when you're getting confused between is and are. So just go
Okay.
through that once again. And yeah, there were times when you were self correcting yourself. For example, when you said correct and then you said collect. So that was good. So I'm pretty sure you know the words, and it's just a little bit of hesitation that is happening right now. So, no doubt, um, that is something you can work on. You were using good words like distributing, collect, handle. All those words were very well used. So, good job on that.
Okay.
Now, there's one more thing you need to work on, uh, verb forms a little bit. just in the past tense. Whenever you have to tell something in the past tense or continuous tense, the verb form is getting a little here and there you're making small
I think I think it will come on practice, I think.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm just saying that be a little more conscious whenever you're using this. So once you reach that part, the mistakes won't happen again. Once you train yourself in that way. And
Sure.
there isn't
I will work on that.
okay, last thing, there is no word like no any doubt. There is no phrase like that. So try to reframe this sentence. No any doubt. Try to reframe this.
Okay, no any doubt.
Okay. No any doubt is incorrect. No doubt is fine. No any doubt
Okay,
is
no
incorrect.
doubt.
Yeah, no
Okay,
doubt is
then
incorrect.
we can use no any doubt.
No.
We can use why?
It's in phrases don't work that way. Just Google it, no any doubt. You'll understand. No doubt is absolutely right. No doubt in that.
Yeah, okay, I'm clear.